First of all, we multiply through by the what?
Conjugate of the denominator.
Conjugate of the denominator. Alright, what does conjugate means? We have denominator as 3 root 2 plus 1. So conjugate of this will be what? 3 root 2. Nothing changed except the positive number here. Right? Conjugate this one, the positive changes to what? Negative. Is that okay? So we have to use this number and multiply both numerator and denominator. So this implies we're going to have 2 root 3 minus 1 all over 3 root 2 plus 1 multiplied by 3 root 2. This is the conjugate of this denominator. So we have 3 root 2 minus 1 all over 3 root 2 minus 1. Are we following? So I can clean this, right? Now, remember, we have two terms here, both numerator and denominator. Each of this term multiplies everything here. Is that okay? So let's start with the first term here, which is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 multiplies everything here in this numerator. So we have open bracket 3 root 2 minus 1. That's the first term, that is 2 root 3 here. So let's go to the second one, which is minus 1. Minus 1 also multiplies everything here. So we're going to have what? 3 root 2 minus 1. Okay? Are we through with numerator? Alright, now let's go to denominator. Same thing with denominator. We have two terms here. Each of these terms multiplies this value of number. So we're going to have 3 root 2 multiplies what? 3 root 2 minus 1. Is that what we have?
Yes.
Then plus 1 into what?
3 root 2 minus 1.
3 root 2 minus 1. Is that what we're going to have?
Yes.
Alright, now let's simplify them one by one. Now remember the rule. Coefficient of the root multiplies coefficient of the other root. The root multiplies by the root, right?
Yes.
So let's start with the coefficient first. 2 times 3. What do we have?
6.
6. Root 3 times root 2. What do we have?
6.
Root 6. Are we done with this?
Yes.
Now, we have negative value here. This one is positive. Positive times negative. What do we have?
Negative.
Negative. Now let's go. We have 1 multiplying by this. What do we have? 2 root 3 times 1. Same 2 root 3. So we have 2 root 3. Now we are done with this. Is that okay? Are we all following? Mariam, are we following? Alright, let's continue. Now we have minus 1 times 3 root 2. Minus 1 times 3 root 2. What do we have? Minus 1 times 3 root 2. What do we have?
3 root 2.
3 root 2. Minus times minus is what?
Plus.
Plus 1 times 1. What do we have? 1. We are through with numerator. Now let's go to the denominator. Denominator, same thing. Coefficient multiplied by coefficient. What do we have?
6.
3 times 3.
9.
Root 2 times root 2. What do we have?
4.
So we have root 4 here. So also coefficient of this times this. Plus times minus. Minus 3 root 2 times 1. What do we have? 3 root 2. So we are done with this. So this one is now what? Plus 1 times this. What do we have?
3 root 2.
3 root 2 again. Plus times minus. 1 times 1. 1. Are we done?
Yes.
Alright, now let's continue. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? We have 6 root 6 minus 2 root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus 1. So let's bring them together. 6 root 6 minus 2 3 minus 3 2 1. Is that what we have?
Yes.
Everything here divides by what? 9 times root 4. What is root 4?
2.
So we have 2 times 9, which is what? 2 times 9, 18. Minus 3 plus 3.
0.
Remember, we can only simplify these two sorts because they have similar roots, right? This one is root 2, this one is root 2, then we can simplify two of them, right? So root 3 minus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, we are going to have what? Plus 0. This one is going to give us 0. Then minus our 1. Is that okay? Can we proceed?
Yes.
So this will give us what? 6
6
root 6 minus 2
3
root 3 minus what?
3
Plus 1 all over 18 minus 1, which is going to be 17. Is that what we have?
Yes.
Should we stop here? Or we should go further and simplify? Can we simplify further? If we choose to stop here, we are still correct. That is 1. Because look at something. We cannot simplify this any further. If we were to add them, we only add sorts that have similar roots. Right? Similar root. And if we are saying we are to reduce this, even if we reduce it, it's going to be root 3 times root 2. Right? This one is still root 2. This one is root 3. This one is root 2. What do we do? This is the final answer. Any other thing? Any other? Any other? So, is that what you have as a final answer?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Any question in regards to this? Any? Who has a question? Our next topic is going to be set. 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 From set, then we go to probability. Yes? So we go to set, then we go to probability. Alright, now let's have the last one. Let's have the last one. Hello? Let's have the last one. We have root of this number. We have activity. If we have root of x squared plus 9 is equal to x plus 1. Find x. Find x. Find x. Yes. Find x. Everybody. What is the value of x? We have a number in root. We have to solve x. What do we do? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where is your book? Where is your book? So why is it that you're not writing? Yes, what do we do? Yes, two Khadijas. What do we do? Sanusi? Abakar. Where is Abakar? Which one is Abakar? Two of you. You are Abakar. Where is Ibrahim? You are Ibrahim. Okay, what do we do here? Do you know? Do you have an idea? You have an idea? No? Okay, we have two sides in this equation, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, and what is common in left and right hand side is that they all have x, an unknown value. Now, but something is a problem here. We can collect like them, but how? It's not possible. There is a root hindering that. So how can we do that? What do we do first?
Square both sides.
No, remove the root first.
Yes.
So how do we remove the root? We remove the root by what? Squaring both sides. So square both sides. You square both sides, the two roots. Okay, this root will go. So first thing we what? We square both sides. So when we square both sides, this one becomes what? The root will go, right? So we're going to have x plus 1 squared. Right? Are we following? So this becomes x squared plus 9 is equal to square of this becomes x plus 1, x plus 1. Okay? Open this. X squared plus 9 is equal to x multiplying everything here. We're going to have what? X squared plus x. 1 also multiplying everything here. We're going to have what? Plus x plus 1. Okay?
Yes.
This will give us x squared plus 9 is equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Are we following?
Yes.
Okay. Can we collect like terms?
Yes.
Let's collect like terms. This one come here. X squared minus x squared plus 9 minus 1. 1 comes here. Is equal to what?
2x.
Only 2x. X squared minus x squared is 0. 9 minus 1.
8.
8 is equal to 2x. We divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 cancel 2. So x is equal to 4. Yes, you have it also. Simple as that. Very simple. You want to check your answer? Put the value of 4 here. We have 4 squared plus 9. 4 squared is 16. 16 plus 9 is what? 25. Root of 25 is what?
5.
5. Okay, each root of 25 is 5. This is equal to x plus 1. What is the value of x? Is it equal to 5?
Yes.
Then we are correct. We are what?
Yes.
Any question? Any question, class? Anybody that has a question, please?